everyone, it's Nicole Spohr and welcome to Plan with Nicole. Today I have a Happy Planner sale unboxing from the order I placed on November 23rd. Yes, it's the 26th and my order is already here. This is part of their Black Friday through Cyber Monday big sale event. Definitely stay tuned and check the box out below for more sale information. Hi everyone, it's Nicole. I had ordered some stuff from the Happy Planner on the first day of their big holiday sales for 2021, and it already came. I got the shipping notification like immediately the same day I ordered it, and it came. It came today, so I'm really excited, and I thought we would open it up together. I think I'm gonna just take everything out and then we'll go through it all. So this was like more like the accessories and filler paper type of sale. Oh, and nice little free sticker. So it came obviously in this nice bubble mailer. First thing is up are some classic metal discs. These are the champagne colored metal discs, and I really personally prefer these. I hadn't gotten metal discs for my planner this year. Oh, nothing like destroying the box there. And so I went ahead and picked these up when they were on sale. I love the color. It's nice and neutral, and I think it's going to go really well with my planner, so I'll be switching those out on my planner probably for this week's weekly spread. And then this is just a little free gift. It's their little vinyl-y stickers. I'm actually going to put this on my water bottle maybe. That's really pretty. And it says like the Happy Planner on it. I love that they include these in their packages. So I actually did get a big Happy Memory Planner for I think it actually started in July. So, I mean, I'll have to kind of franken plan it probably because I didn't really start keeping it. But I'm planning on keeping it through December, starting in December and working through. And so I got some filler paper because I love this. Let's just, oh here, this is a good picture of it. But the glare of this cellophane, let's take it out of the package and take a look at it. Okay. Let me pitch that. So this is the filler paper. And again, this is the big size. It says set goals, make a plan, work hard, succeed, stay humble. Here's the back. I loved the kind of watercolory or paint type look of this. So here's kind of what a spread would look like. I don't know. I just really liked this. It's very kind of classic black and white. So I picked up that. A lot of filler papers. I picked up some of these recipe pages. Again, they're very basic, black and white. This is really my preference, is the black and white. I love the look of this. So very, again, basic. I know I said that, but it's very... That's definitely kind of the direction I went with some of these things. And then I picked up this filler block pad. Again, black and white. Do we see a theme here? Very excited about this. Check out this big, thick pad. And it's just like, it's really great for daily things. I always fill out my daily planner, but I kind of like this for like scratching notes and all of that. And maybe like I scratch notes the night before a lot of times and tuck it in my planner. It just kind of helps with like those menial little tasks and whatnot. I love notepads like that, so I picked that up. I'm going to go ahead and do all the filler paper first, I think. Then I got, well, maybe it's just split up the side. Maybe we'll just do it this way. I got these debt payoff tracker pages. I've actually eyed these for a while. I'm going to do something different with how I'm keeping track of like bills and whatnot. And I thought these would be great to incorporate in that section in my planner. That's going to be coming soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. But just some nice, oh, there's some different paper in here. I didn't even notice. So there's like a plan now, play later, some grid paper. Then there's like financial goal paper. I like this. Just some great little things, saving for. So there's several different styles here. Some debt payoff, like saving kind of ones, goals, and then like some dot grid. I like this. Lots of choices. This is not something I would probably, you know, you're not going to need tons and tons of these, I guess is what I'm going to say. It's more like just a certain goal type of thing. So I picked up that. Oh, I guess I got a bonus sticker. Then I got this, which I believe is a holiday. Yes, this is the Christmas filler paper, and it's very basic, but look at those cute little hot cocoa mugs down there. And all of these pages are the same. I really just thought this would be great for filler for Christmas type stuff. And then I got a couple of the extension packs. First, we're going to do the wellness one. I do have a wellness planner coming. I'm keeping several planners, but I'm going to keep them all in one, and that will make more sense. I'll kind of show you that when I get them all set up, at least monthly, and then I'll transfer them back to the coordinating planner. So this is to keep track of kind of like wellness type things. I like the idea of this. It's a different layout than I've had before. Again, very neutral, basic type colors, which I totally dig. I love this. So I got this expansion pack so that I could start for December. And then I also have a meal planning thing. How about planner? And it is a dated one for 2022. And this is something that I need to work on so badly, which is meal planning. And so I did buy this because it's an expansion pack and I can use it for December of this year. And then I could even use it going into 2023 if I wanted to. But it's really basic. I loved that you can kind of meal plan everything out. And I will be sharing more about that soon as well. You get like the pages, you get some stickers. Show you that. You can date it. It's a 4-month extension pack. So there's enough for the 4 months there. And I bet the wellness has that too. I just didn't get there. Oh my goodness. Look at those beautiful stickers. Oh my gosh, you guys. So beautiful. Okay, so that is what I picked up. And they're shipping really quickly. At least I got that order quick. I did place another order today. Today it is 30% off site-wide. I believe that goes for the next couple days. I have a link down below. If you're interested, I will be sharing. I didn't order a ton of stuff, but I did order a couple of sticker books and a couple of things I wanted today when the 30% went on. And then I did get a couple things from Nichols, which also is having a great Black Friday sale. And I have a link to that down below as well. So thank you guys for hanging out with me and doing this unboxing. And we will see you very soon with my first week of December spread. So see you soon. Bye.